Roll our wrists up. This is a classic Egyptian wrist circle. Good, now water, ball, down. Nice. Isolate, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hand. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, hand. Again. Good, now smooth that out. Your classic Egyptian snake arm. Arm, hand, beautiful. Nice and slow, waterfall, gorgeous. Show me a classic Egyptian snake arm. Yeah, so we don't dive down with the hand, start with the shoulders. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, hand. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, hand. Gorgeous. As one comes up, the other comes down. You ladies are stunningly beautiful. You know that? Yes. Fabulous. Cool.